Hello everyone. In this section, we will talk about meninges of the brain. Protective membranes of the brain are called meninges. There are three membrane layers which protect the brain. In this diagram, you can see all three layers. These layers are actually membrane which protect to our brain. First of all, we will discuss about the structure. Here the outermost layer, that is a dura mater, which is located just behind the skull. The dura mater is a hard, tough and non-vascular layer. It is a thick layer and mostly it is made up of a connective tissue. Students, it is a non-vascular. Non-vascular means there are no any vessels. It doesn't have any vessels. So this type of tissues are, we can say, non-vascular layer. So here dura mater, arachnoid matter and pia mater, all three layers or membranes are called matter, dura mater. Why it is called matter? Matter is actually a Latin word and it means mother. Matter is actually a mother. We know mother is always taking care to her babies. So here all three layers are protective and caring membranes of our brain. So our brain is located in brain box that is called a cranium. Below the cranium we can see here a layer, thick layer, which is known as a dura mater. Dura mater is a thick non-vascular, and below that there is a thin layer. We can see here the red lines here. So these red lines are actually a arachnoid matter. So arachnoid matter is located behind the dura mater. It is thin. It is also non-vascular. It does not have vessels. So we can say non-vascular, and it is located behind the dura mater. Below that there is another layer which is known as a pia mater. You can see the blue layer, and between these two layers there are a space. Students, this space actually filled by a CSF. What is CSF? CSF is actually a cerebrospinal fluid. This fluid is produced or secreted by pia mater. This layer is highly vascularized. We can say the highly vascular layer is pia mater. So pia mater is located very closely to our brain. Below that layer there is a brain. You can see this structure is a brain. Actually this is the part of brain. It is not a whole brain. Here these three layers are covered to brain as well as to the spinal cord, because they protect them. They supply nutrients to the brain and spinal cord. So there are many essential functions we can see later. So here we will discuss about these three layers. Mostly these are called membranes. So these three membranes are protective in nature. Here number one is a dura mater, middle layer is a arachnoid mater, and the lowermost membrane is a pia mater, which is actually close to the brain. Here the CSF is very important here, and it filled into the two layer. So between the two layer there are CSF, that is called a cerebrospinal fluid. So what are the functions of CSF? So now we will discuss about the functions of CSF. It is a lymph-like appearance, lymph-like a structure. We know the lymph is actually a fluid. It does not have any RBC, but most of all the WBCs are present in lymph. Here the CSF is also play a role like a WBC, sorry, lymph. So CSF is contains the large number of nutrients. It supply nutrients to the brain. Also, it transport gases, for example, oxygen, and also removes the toxic material, toxic gases like carbon dioxide. So, these are the supply, transportation, and also it removes toxic material from brain. Here the another also there is a function, mostly the CSF and the meninges act as a shock absorber. They protect the brain and spinal cord from mechanical injuries. It also maintains constant pressure inside cranium. It helps in exchange of nutrients and waste between blood and brain tissue. So basically the CSF is slightly alkaline fluid. So these are the structure and the function of these three membrane. So these three membranes are called meninges of the brain. These are protective in nature. Remember that these three layers protect to the brain as well as to the our spinal cord. Hope you understood this. Thank you.